హాయ్ గాయ్స్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. ఈరోజు మనం ఈ వీడియోలో కొన్ని ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ సమ్స్ని నేర్చుకుందాం. ఇంతకంటే ముందు ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ బేసెస్ అలాగే ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ సంబంధించిన కొన్ని సమ్స్ని ఈ ఛానల్లో అప్లోడ్ చేశాను. ఒకవేళ మీరు కానీ ఆ వీడియోస్ చూడాలనుకుంటే ఈ వీడియో యొక్క డిస్క్రిప్షన్ బాక్స్లో ఆ వీడియోస్ ఉంటాయి, చూడండి, నేర్చుకోండి. అలాగే ఈరోజు వీడియోలో చేసుకోబోయే ఫస్ట్ సమ్ సో దట్ tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees equal to 1. After that, we have to do second sum after first sum after second sum. Take first sum. Here is the equation that given in first and it is the LHS and it is the RHS. LHS means left hand side and RHS means right hand side, left hand side, and we take an LHS first. It is the LHS tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Here all are tan. We can write tan 48 as tan 90 minus 42, and we can write tan 16 as tan 90 minus 74, and we can write tan 42 as tan 42, remain it same, and tan 74 as tan 74, remain it same as we given in the first sum. Okay, we can write tan 90 minus 42 as cot 42, because here is the 42 and tan is reciprocal for cot is reciprocal for tan. That's why we also write tan 90 minus 42 as cot 42 into cot 74 degrees. It is also same. Tan is reciprocal for cot and cot is reciprocal for tan. That's why we also write tan 90 minus 74 degrees as cot 74 degrees. And hereafter tan 42 then tan 74, remained it same from the first equation. After that, we have to write as cot 42 degrees into here tan 42 degrees into cot 74 degrees from here, and tan 74 degrees, cot 42 degrees, tan 42 degrees, cot 74 degrees, tan 74 degrees. Understood, guys? After that, we know cot theta into tan theta equal to 1. Here is the one identity in trigonometry we have to use in this. That's why cot 42 into tan 42 equal to 42. Also 42 is theta here, that's why 1. 74 and 74 is theta here, that's why 1 into 1 equal to 1. So LHS equal to 1. After that, we take the RHS. RHS equal to 1, because here is the RHS. RHS is 1 here. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, prove. Hereafter, we take in second sum. What is the second sum? Cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees equal to 0. Here 0 given as RHS. Here LHS, here RHS. Right hand side, left hand side. Take LHS. Cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. After that, we also write cos 36 as cos 90 minus 54, and we also write cos 54 as cos 90 minus 36 minus, here we have to write sin 36 into sin 54 as usual, same from the first sum we have to write same. After that, we also write cos 90 minus 54 degrees as sin 54 degrees. 54 degrees comes from here, and cos is reciprocal for sin and sin is reciprocal for cos, so we also write as like this: cos 90 minus 54 degrees as sin 54 degrees, and cos 90 minus 36 degrees as cos 36 degrees, minus we have to write sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. Here sin 54 degrees, sin 54 degrees, cos 36 degrees, cos sin here sin we have to write sin 36 degrees, sin 36 degrees, hence all are cancelled, so 0 came. LHS equal to 0, RHS equal to 0, that's why LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Here we have to prove the sum. Take sums and practice. And this is the second sum. See guys, this is the second sum guys. Second sum is, if A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. This is the second sum guys. I repeating the question. If A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, that means on triangle there the interior angles are ABC, then show that tan A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. First we have to write what I has given. If tan A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees, because interior angles, by triangle sum property, triangle three sides sum has must 180 degrees. So in this way, the ABC are interior angles of a ABC triangle. That's why ABC equal to 180 degrees. Understood? Next, after A plus B equal to 180 minus C. When we take C into LHS from RHS, it sign is plus, that's why it changes as minus. So A plus B equal to C comes to right hand side, that's why a minus is applicable. A plus B equal to 180 minus C. Like this it came. A plus B by 2 equal to 180 by 2 minus C by 2. We applied by 2. We applied by 2. That means we multiplied both terms in right hand side and left hand side with 1 by 2 term. That's why A plus B by 2 equal to 180 by 2 minus C by 2. Hereafter A plus B by 2 equal to 2 1s are 2 9s are 0. So 90 minus C by 2. Take tan ratio on both sides. We take an tan ratio on both sides, and that means we take an tan ratio on LHS and RHS of the both side. Understand? That means tan A plus B by 2 equal to tan 90 minus C by 2. Here write the term as same, and we also write tan 90 minus C by 2 as cot C by 2, because tan is reciprocal for cotangent, cotangent is reciprocal for tangent. So we remove 90 here, that's why we have to write C by 2 here, cot C by 2. Tan 90 minus C by 2 value is cot C by 2. Understand? After that came what we have to prove, tan A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. Here answer came tan A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. Hence proved. This is the another important sum, guys. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Share to your friends with WhatsApp and Facebook. They might also learn these sums. Thank you for watching. Meet in next video, guys. Bye.